Hi, my name is Kayeligh East. I'm a third-year game design and development major, and I am an IGM student ambassador. Today, I'm going to talk about how to make a reliable team when it comes to team projects, class projects, pretty much anything that you're working with that requires multiple people. Now, the reason why you do team projects is to get some extra help because you can't always do everything on your own. You don't know everything, unfortunately. We all wish we did, but we just don't know everything. Team projects they look really good on resumes because it tells companies that you can do group work, and a lot of companies stuff does group work, so that's a really important skill for them to see you have. And then three, it just makes whatever you're working on go by faster than if you were working solo. So sometimes it's better to do some projects with a team of devs rather than by yourself, just so you could get further along faster. So now, how do you make a reliable team? Well, first you got to understand your strengths and weaknesses. You got to know what you're able to do and what you can handle and what you're looking to have covered. So, like, say you're pretty good with game design and you can program, but you want somebody who's maybe better at programming than you, like just a bit better. That way they could cover like anything that you're missing or maybe introduce other like data structures and stuff like that to help your game run more efficiently. Um, the next thing is to make sure that it's a person that you can mesh with. That way, like maybe you could like bounce ideas off of each other and joke around. You don't want to be like butting heads with your teammates. Yeah, you want to make sure that everything is respectful and peaceful. You want a good team dynamic. Um, Also, make sure that your schedules work with whoever you're working with. Make sure the person that you're trying to recruit for your team is not horribly busy. If you, if somebody has like 20 things on their plate and like they want to try to take on another thing, it might not be the best for that person, and they also might not get it done because of all the work they're taking in. Now, where do you find teammates? You could find them on Discord channels. We have IGM Unofficial. The RIT Game Developers Club has a Discord channel dedicated to looking for team members. And then there's probably some other servers as well that have options for looking for teammates. You can also find some teammates going to classes and clubs. Some people go to extracurriculars looking for projects to work on, so definitely a good place to find them. And you could also just ask your peers if they know anybody with whatever skills you're looking for. Yeah, and if you're bringing teammates on to a project late in the game, make sure you comment or document whatever project you are working on. That way they're able to transition and join the team at ease. But yeah, that's some advice for making a reliable team. Thanks.